How you go be now? This thing go be now.
I know.
Wow. So this guy, this my.
Welcome, man. Welcome,
Oh,
sir.
oh, thank you.
Oh, sorry, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
God bless you. Welcome to Prescott Hotel.
Thank you.
Sir, is there any other thing you want?
No, you can go for now. We'll call you whenever we need you. You can come. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What about you? Yeah, okay. Look at the way you're smiling. I love your smile.
Thank
Well,
you.
sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, welcome.
Well done,
Thank
man.
you. I fine.
Babe, be fast now. Let's be going now. Before they will lock my gate. More time they will lock my gate.
Immediately I finish eating this food, I'll be going no more.
But you heard. Shey the one federal
I have
government.
to rush and be going no.
We agreed that we'll be going home now together.
Something came up. I'm sorry.
No one. Waiter. Take away, take away, take away. Yeah, don't take away.
What happened now?
Shey you say you're going home now, Abi? So you go cook at home. When you reach home, you eat now. I will this is my night food. Then tomorrow morning I'll eat this one.
The
Home.
food with sour now.
Sour cake. The wine federal now sour food now in the sweet pass.
He shock you.
No sound they enjoy this one, but no sour. If it's sour now, I go dey enjoy am well well.
Oh my God.
Waiter, take away. Shey take this money. Add it with that 15 naira that you have. That enter keke in that bus stop. When you get home, you eat, okay? Nothing is free,
Nonsense.
even in the free time.
You get it? If you
Come
don't
and be
get
going,
it,
come and be
forget
going
about
before
it.
it's late.
Excuse
Come and be
me.
going, come and be
This is
going.
take away,
Yeah,
sir.
package the food, package the
Excuse
food.
me.
Sorry, hope there's no problem.
Package the food, package the food. Something came up. After
Something came up.
I spent on you, you're telling me something. Go and meet that something that came up. But you were
But
there.
no, man, as soon as they do, sir.
My friend, will you keep quiet?
This is Donzekky group. What is this? I'm going to say hi to everybody. We love you. Mwah.